ओम तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महासेनाय धीमहि तन्नो सुब्रह्मण्य प्रचोदयात्। श्री वल्लीदेव सेना समेत सुब्रह्मण्य स्वामिने नमो नमः। कर्पूर नीराजनं सन्दर्शयामि रक्षां धारयामि।
I bless you all. Let you all open all your three eyes and manifest the powers of Mahasadashiva. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om 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 Nityananda
ओम सर्वस्याप्यै सर्वस्य सिद्ध्यै सर्वमेव तेनाप्नोति सर्वं जयति। ओम ईशानः सर्वविज्ञानाम् ईश्वरः सर्वभूतानां ब्रह्माधिपतिर् ब्रह्मणोऽधिपतिर् ब्रह्मा शिवो मेऽस्तु सदा शिवो। ओम तन्महेशाय विद्महे वाग्विशुद्धाय धीमहि तन्नः शिवः प्रचोदयात्। श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरी वरासिद्धि समेत श्री नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। महाआरती दीपं सन्दर्शयामि। ओम तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्रः प्रचोदयात्। ओम वामदेवाय नमो ज्येष्ठाय नमः श्रेष्ठाय नमो रुद्राय नमः कालाय नमो कलविकरणाय नमः बलविकरणाय नमो भलाय नमो बलप्रमदनाय नमो सर्वभूततमनाय नमो मनोन्मनाय नमः। ओम तक्षयोरावृणीमहे गातुं यज्ञाय गातुं यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वं जिगात भेषजं शन्नो अस्तद्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। ओम शन्नो मित्रः शं वरुणः शं नो भवत्यर्यमा शं न इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः शं नो विष्णुरुद्रमाः नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायु त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि रतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतो तद्वक्तारमवतो अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयामदेवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैः स्तुष्ट्वागुं शस्यनूभिः यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्ताक्षो अरिष्टनोमिः स्वस्ति नोर्बृहस्पतिर्ददातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ हंस हंसाय विद्महे परमहंसाय धीमहि तन्नो हंस प्रचोदयात् ॐ नमो हिरण्यबाहवे हिरण्यवर्णाय हिरण्यरूपाय हिरण्यपतये अम्बिकापतये उमापतये पशुपतये नमो नमः ॐ षञ्च मे वयश्च मे प्रियञ्च मे नु कामश्च मे मनसश्च मे भद्रञ्च मे श्रेयश्च मे वश्यश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे द्रविणञ्च मे यन्ता च मे धृताक्ष मे क्षेमश्च मे धृतिश्च मे विश्वं च मे महश्च मे संविच्च मे ज्ञात्रिं च मे शोश्च मे प्रशूश्च मे क्षीरञ्च मे लयश्च मरुतं च मे मृतं च मे नामयश्च मे जीवातुश्च मे दीर्घायुत्वं च मे नमित्तं च मे भयं च मे सुगं च मे शयनं च मे शोषा च मे श्रुतिनं च मे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ द्रापे अन्धसस्पते दरिद्रन्नीललोहिता येषां पुरुषाणामेषां पशूनां माभेर्मारोमो येषां किञ्चन ममते या ते रुद्रशिवा तनु विश्वाः बेजसी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजीतया नो मृडजीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वीराय प्रवरामहे मतिम् यथा नश्यमशद्विपते चतुष्पते विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम् मृडानो रुद्रो तनो मयस्कृति क्षयद्वीराय नमसा विधेमते यच्चं च योच्च मनुराय जे पिता ततश्यामस्तव रुद्रः प्रणीतो मानो महान्तमुतमानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्तमुतमान उक्षितम् मानो वदीपितरं मोतमातरं प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः मानस्तोके दनये मान आयुषुमानो गोषुमानो अश्वेषु रीरिषः वीरान्मानो मदीह विष्मन्ते नमसा विदेवते आरात्ते गोग्न उत पूर्षज्ञे क्षयद्वीराय सुम्नमस्मेते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधिश देव ब्रूह्यदा च नः शर्मज्ञच्चद्विबर्हाः ॐ नमस्तेऽस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय नित्यानन्दाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः। ॐ न तत्र सूर्यो भान्ति न चन्द्रतारकं मे मा विद्युतो भान्तिकृतोऽयमग्निः तमेव भान्तम् अनुभाति सर्वं तस्य पासा सर्वं इदं विभाति। श्रीनित्यानन्दे शक्ति समेत श्रीनित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवाय नमः। कर्पूर नीराजनं सन्दर्शयामि।
I bless you all. Let you all open all your three eyes and manifest the powers of Mahasadashiva. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham Nityananda Paramashivoham Om 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 Nityananda.
The next offering of Uttamottam Seva at the feet of the Nityanandeshwari Virajita Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwar Parameshiva is the offering of the Chaturveda. देवदेवोत्तम देवता सार्वभौम अखिलांड कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव चतुर्वेद प्रिय चतुर्वेद भवधारय।
Nityananda Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham Om Nityananda परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् परमशिवोऽहम्
The next offering is the offering of the Agama Shloka at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashara Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashara Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Agama Shloka Priya Agama Shloka Navadharaya.
श्री भगवानुवाच अतिकौतूहलाविष्टा चित्तस्येतच्छृणुप्रिये यन्मे नेत्रान्तरे वह्ने यद्वामृतमनुत्तमम् तत्सर्वं कथयिष्यामि योगयुक्त्या शृणुप्रिये यत्स्वरूपं निजं शुद्धं व्यापकं सर्वतोमुखं सर्वभूतान्तरावस्थं सर्वप्राणिषु जीवनं योगगम्यं दुरासारं दुष्प्रापमकृतातमभिः ज्ञानादिषड्गुणान्येते तत्रस्ताः प्रभवन्ति सा वै महाक्रिया रूपा संस्थितैका क्रियामता अनिमादिगुणा नष्टौ करोति विकरोति च एवं महेश ज्ञानाख्या व्याख्या शक्तिरुच्यते रहनाख्यायने तेन राकाश्यं विददाम्यहं सृष्टिं स्थितिं संवृत्तिं च तनुर्विददाम्यहं तत्सिद्धिदं परं देवं सर्वदुःखविमोचनं सर्वव्याधिहरं देवं सर्वामयहरं शिवम्.
नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्।
The next offering at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashara Sameta Shri. The next offering at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashara Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwari Parameshwara is offering to the Stotras. देवदेवोत्तम देवता सार्वभौम अखिलांड कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी
नित्यनिश्चयाय तत्त्वातीताय गङ्गाधराय सर्वदेवादिदेवाय षडाश्रयाय वेदान्तसाराय त्रिवर्गसाधनाय अनन्तकोटिब्रह्माण्डनायकाय अनन्तवास्तुतक्षककार्कोटकशङ्खपुलिकपद्ममहापर्वीत्यष्ट महानागकुलभूषणाय प्रणवस्वरूपाय चिदाकाशाय आकाशदिक्स्वरूपाय ग्रहनक्षत्रमालिने सकलाय कलङ्करहिताय सकललोकैककर्त्रे सकललोकैकभर्त्रे सकललोकैकसंहर्त्रे सकललोकैकगुरवे सकललोकैकसाक्षिणे सकलनिगमगुह्याय सकलवेदान्तसाराय सकललोकैकपरप्रदाय सकललोकैकशङ्कराय शशाङ्कशेखराय शाश्वतनिजावासाय निराभासाय निरामयाय निर्मलाय निर्लोभाय निर्पापाय निरुपद्रवाय निरवध्याय निर्लोभाय निर्मदाय निरञ्जकाय निष्प्रपञ्चाय निस्सङ्गाय निर्द्वन्द्वाय निराधाराय निरागाय निष्क्रोधाय निर्लोभाय निष्पापाय निरुपप्लवाय निर्विकल्पाय निर्भेदाय निष्क्रियाय निस्तुराय निःसंशयाय निरञ्जनाय निरुपमविभवाय नित्यशुद्धबुद्धपरिपूर्ण सच्चिदानन्दाद्वयाय परमशान्तस्वरूपाय तेजोमयाय तेजोरूपाय जय जय रुद्र महारौद्र भद्रावतार महाभैरव कालभैरव कल्पान्तभैरव कपालमालाधर खड्गांग खड्ग चर्म पाशांकुश डमरू शूल चापा बाण गदा शक्ति बिंदिपाल तोमर मुसल मुद्गर पाश खड्ग भुषुंडी षडग्नि चक्राद्यायुध भीषणकर सहस्रमुखदंष्ट्राकराल वदन विकटाट्टहास विस्फारित ब्रह्माण्डमण्डल नागेन्द्र कुंडल नागेन्द्रहार नागेन्द्रवलय नागेन्द्रचर्मधर नागेन्द्र निकेतन मृत्युंजय त्र्यंबक त्रिपुरांतक विश्वरूप विरूपाक्ष विश्वेश्वर ऋषभवाहन विश्वभूषण विश्वतोमुख सर्वतो रक्ष रक्ष मां ज्वल ज्वल महामृत्युम् अपमृत्युभयं नाशय नाशय चोरभयम् उच्चादय उच्चादय विषसर्पभयं शमय शमय चोरान् मारय मारय मम शत्रून् उच्चादय उच्चादय त्रिशूलेन विधारय विधारय कुठारेण भिन्डि भिन्डि खड्गेन छिन्डि छिन्डि खट्वाङ्गेन निपोधय निपोधय कुशलेन निःशेषय निःशेषय बाणैः திருச்சிற்றம்பலம். தோளுடைய செவியின்றிடையோர் மதிசூடி காடுடைய சுடலை புலி பூசி உள்ளம் கவர்கல்வன் ஏடுடைய மலராமினா பிறந்து அருள் செய்த பீடுடைய பிரமாபுரமேவிய பெம்மானிவன்
नित्यानंद परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानंद Shivoham. शिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् bless you all. Let you all open all your three eyes and manifest the powers of Mahasadashiva. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 Om Nityananda Paramashivoham.
नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वैतातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. Nityanand, welcome all of the viewers, Kailayasis from all over the world, from various Kailasas, to this segment of today's Krishna video, the offering of Paramashya Shakti Arjuna. So, before directly entering into the Shakti Arjuna, I would like to share some of the recent posts of Swamiji where he has been continuously sharing about various Sarvagya Pitas, Kailasas that have been established. And from the day of Shivaratri, when Swami declared that 1,000 Kailasas will happen just in India itself, there has not just been like one or two places, but from all over India, various people who are like the first time hearing about Swamiji, everybody is somehow contributed to making all these Kailasas happen. And as you all know, we have the Yogini Sarvagya Pita, which is at Gujarat, and we have Nandi Sarvagya Pita, which is in Adi Kailash in Bangalore, and we have
feels right now. The first thing that I would like to tell all of you is to go and read Swamiji's post directly about his sharings and his revelations about all these Kailasas that are happening. Do not miss it, because when you read it, it is like literally you hearing it directly from Swamiji. You would have heard many other people sharing, you would have heard many other people talk about it, but only when you open Swamiji's post and read it yourself, it's going to be a blessing for you. And just beginning, share it with everybody, whoever is around you, whoever is in your contacts, with everybody, so that this exciting revival of the enlightened ecosystem can be known to the entire universe, and everybody can become part of this amazing happening. So recently Swami shared a beautiful cognition about understanding your body and relating to your body as a third person. And he says, one who does that is a yogini. When we relate to our body as the first person, that is when we start having, whether it is physical issues or whether it is limited cognitions. There's immature cognitions when you relate to your body as a first person. When you start relating to your body as a second person, you understand your body is just holding you and you are the consciousness within. And when you relate your body as a third person and understand that the body is just a channel, a medium for Paramashiva's energy to flow through, that is when you become a yogi. And this cognition has been like so many people from all over the world, in Facebook, in Twitter, everybody are literally like having continuous clips about this cognition, and they're posting about it everywhere in all social media platforms. So I'm sure this will click with everybody out there who's watching this. Because the moment you start understanding this, you will know the technique, the science behind how you can come out of any problem in life, whether it is physical problem, whether it is psychological problem, whether it is emotional issue, any kind of problem. The only solution is for you to start perceiving and start realizing and relating to your body as a third person. And if any of you have any doubts on this, if any of you have any questions, and if you want to get them answered, you can reach out to any of the yoginis over Facebook itself. We have a page, Yogini Saranya Pita. So you can message and inbox us directly and get the yoginis to help you instantly. So today, along with this, we have now Wendy, who's going to be here experiencing the Shakti of mind reading. So this Shakti today specifically is being expressed so that the cognitions of how a human's mind is functioning is understood, and how to come out of that immature cognition into a perfect cognition is understood. So today I'm going to be expressing the Shakti of mind reading and going to be finding out what is the exact cognition that needs to be changed and what is the powerful cognition that needs to be established. So before entering this Shakti, I would like to chant the Shastra Pramana, the scriptural reference for this Shakti.
The power of advanced mind reading is from the Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, Sutra 51, Dharana 28. The pramana goes as Yatha tatha yatra tatra dvadashanте manakshipet pratikshanam kshina vrittir vailakshanyam diner bhavet Yatha tatha yatra tatra dvadashanте manakshipet pratikshanam kshina vrittir vailakshanyam diner bhavet Yatha tatha yatra tatra द्वादशान्ते मनक्षिपेत् प्रतिक्षणं क्षीणवृत्तेर् वैलक्षण्यं दिनेर्भवेत्. The The translation of this verse goes as, whenever one fixes and centers the mind and inner space at any place, at the Dvadashanta, the energy center, between the eyebrows, at the third eye, at every moment in continuity, howsoever and wherever one may be during any action, walking, talking, resting, etc., the fluctuation and modifications of the mind will diminish and cast away completely, and within days or within moments, he will experience extraordinary states of the powers of Bhairava.
So this is a very beautiful revelation where Parameshwara actually says how the entire matter that is around you is just literally controlled by the consciousness. As he says, when it is here or there, or whether it is doing this or doing another act, at any moment of time, it is just through your third eye, the entire thing can be controlled because your third eye is the center of consciousness. So now, what I am doing is chanting the Mahavakya. And with this cognition, understanding that this body is a channel for the energy of Parameshwar to flow through, I'll be revealing whatever is looking through the third eye when I'm going to be reading her in this space. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Okay, so what Parameshwar did in scanning through the eye was that there is just like still you have a lot of limited ideas about the things happening around you. Like for example, when it is giving competition to another person, like experiencing, making another person experience a piece of competition. Like they have some problem and you're trying to talk to them, you're trying to complete them. Even at that point of time, when you are talking to them, there's deep within you, there's something where you can relate to that incident, like where you feel as it has happened to you. So when you are able to relate to that incident, instead of taking it in a way that, oh yeah, I have come out of it, so there is a way that person also can come out of it. Instead, there's one part of you that says, oh my god, even I face the same problem, it's going to be difficult to come out of it and to experience shifts from there, to get completion from there. And so, because of that cognition that is running as literally like as the background thought current in you, even though you're talking to this person and trying to give him completion, this person is not experiencing completion. This is one thing that I can see. And apart from this, for yourself, somewhere, see, there are so many new cognitions that you have experienced. many years, where you feel that you need to do something external to keep your body healthy, or you need to do something external to keep your body good. So, see, this limited cognition, why this can be for many of you out there, but for you, why this got to be is because this is not only making you, it's not only fitting with the way your body is, but apart from that, how do you feel about it? Like, there is less amount of excitement when it comes to work. There's less enthusiasm, and throughout the day, instead of being continuously like what more you can add, you somehow start thinking about how you can reduce, because you feel that what we are doing is like stressful or it's too bad, and you try getting some time to come out of it. See, that you may think it is because of what you're doing and the way you're doing, but it is not just that. It is especially because of what you are thinking about yourself, like about your body and about how you're going to use it. So these are the two limited cognitions right now that's something you can do. And apart from this, like the solution for this is to just analyze Swamiji's recent satsang. Just analyze it completely, and you will, even if you read it every day once, you will get new things every day. Like your cognition will keep getting nurtured. So the solution is very easy. And I'm sure that many of you out there, as Swamiji told very recently, just reading and going through that satsang itself will give a lot of completion to each of you, and will easily remove any physical elements, any mental fluctuations, and will establish that space of completion in each of you. So, would you like to do this?
Yes, I definitely agree. And there are so many beautiful, powerful cognitions that are in the recent Facebook posts. I definitely look forward to rereading from a different perspective that you, the light that you have shined on it, and I can definitely relate. So thank you for that.
So, thank you much for joining us in this Shakti right now. And without forgetting all of you, I request all of you to go to Facebook and directly read it from Swamiji's post and experience the essence of the satsang that was revealed by Swamiji, and experience completion just by reading it. So thank you all for joining us in the Shakti Rajkarina. With this, we offer our gratitude at the feet of Parvashika and Parashakti in the form of His Divine Holiness, Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Parmeshwar. Thank you. Jai Hind.
नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्
next offering of the Uttama Seva is the offering of Tirukkailaya Vadyam. देवदेवोत्तम देवता सार्वभौम अखिलांड कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव तिरुक्कैलाय वाद्य प्रिय तिरुक्कैलाय वाद्यम अवधार्य.